Alright guys, now we're going to talk about finding good videos to post. So again, we're going to want to find videos that are Creative Commons. If we just search conspiracy theory within YouTube, it'll show like the standard YouTube license. So if we want to find videos we can upload, just go filter and then click Creative Commons. And then I recommend sorting this by the most popular videos. So to do this, you just click view count on the right side here. And as you can see, these are going to be your best videos to repost. Now, I recommend subscribing to all the channels that are posting like Creative Commons videos like this guy. As you can see, these are videos you can re-upload, and I guarantee we can put in better thumbnails than some of these people are doing. Like this one talking about some Chick-fil-A conspiracy. You can make like a really good thumbnail like with their logo and put like a red circle over it and everything. Just make people want to click. And then for the title, put like shocking Chick-fil-A conspiracy will make you not want to eat there, instead of just putting Chick-fil-A conspiracy theory. And these are videos you can download and reuse. So then, you find people who are consistently posting Creative Commons videos in the niche that you're looking for, like this person right here. So if we just click her video, and as you can see, it's monetized, so she is getting ads on it, so that's a good sign. And then if we just go to her channel right here, we can see all of her videos, and then maybe consider subscribing to her so you can see all the new videos that are coming out. And there's a huge backlog of these videos, so I recommend just subscribing to these people and just downloading, like I said, 5 to 10 videos from different channels. You might not want to all do the same channel. Just downloading 5 to 10 videos and then uploading them on your own channel and then putting ads on it. And then when you go on these people's channels too, I recommend clicking sort by and then most popular, because then you can find the subjects that are really trending and that you can download and make videos on. Especially if they're within the conspiracy theories, like this one, Taylor Swift conspiracy theories, that's a good one. Just all of these top videos that have a lot of views on them. And I know you guys can make better thumbnails than this, so you can start ranking and getting views on your videos. And again, guys, this goes for every niche. Like when you find people, like I was talking about these tech videos, you just click videos, and then again, sort by most popular. You can find the videos that are really getting a lot of views that you can use. Alright guys, so through the next couple lessons here, I'm going to show you exactly how to download, edit, and re-upload a video. Obviously, you can just re-upload the whole video too, but if you want to like make it into more videos, I'm going to show you how to do that. Or if you just want to make a compilation, I'll show you how to do all that. Obviously, you can just download and re-upload these videos in their whole as they are. But right now, I'm going to go over how to download a video. And to do this, we first off have to find a video, and once we find one, we can just go to the video watch page right here. And then we're going to want the link to the video, so we just click share. And then there's going to be the link right there, and we can just click copy, and it'll copy it to our clipboard. And then we're going to go to another tab right here. As you can see, I have savefrom.net open. Now, this is a really good website for downloading YouTube videos. I'm going to put a link to this website so you guys can find it as well. So then we just paste a link in there just like that, and then we just wait for it to load here. And there's a video we're going to want to download as high quality as we can, and then we just click download, and then it's going to save the video to our downloads folder. As you can see on the bottom left-hand side of Chrome right here, the video is downloading, and just like that, the video is downloaded to our computer. So once the video is downloaded, we're going to want to upload it. Alright guys, before we edit this video, I just want to explain to you exactly what we're doing. So as you can see, we're going to be dealing with this video right here, YouTube Conspiracy Theories, and it lists off a bunch of names, which is perfect, because then 21. We can use this video, and then we can make like 5 separate videos from this one single video. So we just have to find a part where she's talking about each of these specific people. I don't even know who these people are, but they're obviously trending since the video's got 350,000 views. So first off, we're going to want to get the timestamp of when she mentions these people. So I did some research, and the guy who's the most popular is this FouseyTube guy, so we're going to make that video first. But obviously, this is just a proof of concept. You guys can make videos on all these. From this single video, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus more, so probably like 5 to 6 videos from this single video. But to find out where they talk about this FouseyTube guy, all we have to do is click this 3-bar thing on the bottom and click Open Transcript. Now, this is going to be an automatically generated transcript of everything that she says in the video. So to find out where they mention that guy, we just hit Control F, and then we start typing his name. And then we can just scroll through the transcript, see if anything's highlighted. It looks like it is right there. Perfect. And then as you can see, she says it right here, so then we just click play.
On to our 4th conspiracy theory, which is about FouseyTube.
Perfect. So there's when she mentions that guy. And then we're going to just want to write this timestamp down somewhere, 7:07 about, so then just write this timestamp down, and then you can just download the video using the method I showed, and then we're going to want to hop on over to the editor. Alright guys, now we're in the editor, and the editor I'm using is called HitFilm Express. I'll put a link where you can download this absolutely free. It's free for both Windows and Mac, so you can download this completely free and start making videos. So once we have it downloaded, we're just going to want to click New on the top left to make a new project, and we can just use all these default settings and just click Start Editing. And there we go, now it'll open up the editor. So now you can just drag in the video to the bottom left right here, which is all the media, and this is going to be your actual timeline over here to the right. So to get this over there, all you have to do is drag it and then put it right at the beginning right there. And then it'll ask to match the editor sequence settings to match the clip. We can just click yes, so we don't have any problems. And there we go. Now we're going to want to skip ahead to 7:09. And then right there, we're just going to want to split it. And to do this, we just click right click and then click splice. And then it'll split this into 2 separate clips. And then you can click this clip and then hit delete on your computer. And then drag this back to the beginning again right there. And then we can just watch this and find out how long she talks about that guy FouseyTube, and then split it again when she stops talking about him. And then we'll want to split it again, so again we just click right click splice and then click this, delete that. So now we are ready to export our video. There's the video where she talks about that guy. And I just want to add in real quick before we export the video that you can do this for like making compilation videos. You can do this for making top 5 videos. This editor is completely free to use for making any types of videos like that. I highly recommend this editor. Again, I'll leave a link to it. So now to export your video, you're just going to click this export button on the right hand side right here. Just click export and then click content and then click go to export. And then all you have to do is click that right there, and then you can name it whatever you want. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of presets. I recommend doing YouTube 1080p HD. And then you can start exporting, and there's this little button on the bottom where you can export. You just click that, and then as you can see, it'll show the progress of the export, and there'll even be a little preview window right here where it'll show you how far it's exported. And then once that's done, your video is going to be exported and on your computer and ready to be uploaded. Alright guys, so that is how to edit and export a video. Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about how to upload the videos that you just downloaded. And yes, we actually have 2 videos that are ready to be uploaded, because we have that first video, which is that 10-minute video that we can upload talking about the different YouTuber conspiracy theories. And then we also have the edited video just talking about that specific YouTuber FouseyTube that we just edited. So to upload a video to YouTube, it's very easy. You just click this button right on the top, and then we click upload video. And then we can either drag a file from our computer or just click this right here and then select a video to upload. So now we have the first video uploading talking about the YouTuber conspiracy theories. Now this is the full like 10-minute video that we downloaded. And again, we can upload this completely free because it is considered Creative Commons. Now that's how to start uploading a video, and again we can upload that second video as well, and you can upload 2 videos at once. You just click add more videos right there to upload more than 1 video at once. So guys, that is how to upload videos. In the next lessons we're going to be talking about how we can optimize these videos. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about what license you should upload your YouTube video as. Since we downloaded the video as a Creative Commons video, you might be inclined to upload the video as a Creative Commons video, so you might change the license right here to Creative Commons. You cannot do this, guys. You actually have to upload the video as a standard YouTube license. It is against the rules to download someone's Creative Commons videos and then upload it as a Creative Commons video. So when you upload all of your videos, guys, always upload it as a standard YouTube license.